so sexy.
Sure, I mean, you are too, but don't you think we're moving a little too fast?
What do you mean?
I mean, I just met you at CVS. Now you ripping off my clothes, girl.
Wait, are you gay? It's okay if you are, but...
No, I'm not gay. I just can't do this, girl. Like, I just...
You think too much.
Why do you have this? Look. I really want to do this. Trust me. I just...
Bitch.
What?
Bitch. You're acting like a bitch.
I ain't like no bitch, girl.
Don't worry, my boyfriend won't be home till later.
Damn. Whoa, but your boyfriend?
He's on probation. He can't hurt you.
Okay. Bitch, you tripping. I gotta get the fuck up out of here. I gotta get up out of here. Bitch, girl, you tripping, girl. Whoa. What is why? Too old for piggyback rides, girl.
Just stay.
And I heard you stay.
What?
This ain't a Rihanna song. Get off of me. Bitch, I gotta go.
Really, babe? I knew it. Babe.
Tell him I got the juice. Look, wait a minute. Tell him I got